Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or discussing with you Avis car rental app not working. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if the app or the Avis car rental app is not working for you, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. Now, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to make sure that the app is fully updated. Now, if you have an Android device, go ahead and open up Google Play Store here, look for Avis, and if you do see any update button, go ahead and just click or press on the update button. Wait for a while and see if that actually helps. Just make sure to close the app before actually using it after the update. But yeah, so if that doesn't work, the next thing that you want to do here is you may want to clear a few things inside the app. So in this case, you want to open up the settings app here. And inside the settings app, you want to go and scroll down a bit here and look for the apps option. Now inside the app section, you want to go ahead and just look for Avis. Now if you don't see it immediately, you can go and use the search apps at the very top here. Just type in Avis. Go ahead and select it, and you want to go and click on the clear data at the bottom right of your screen. Now from here, you want to go and click on the clear cache option and go and click on OK. Now it's really important that you only choose clear cache since we are only clearing the temporary files that is stored into the app. Now once you've done that, you want to go ahead and click on force stop, click on OK, open up the app again and see if that actually helps. Now, if that doesn't help, the next thing that you want to do here is you may want to reinstall the app. So in this case, go ahead and click on uninstall. In the same page here, click on uninstall. Now, once you've done that, you want to go and exit this page and restart your phone. Now, once your phone has restarted, go ahead and open up Google Play Store, search for the Avis car rental app again, reinstall it, and see if that helps. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.